Never let go of yourself for anyone. Never. Hey dear unique, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Do you want to experience the best and wonderful and most wonderful life? How can it be? Live, create, play. Dance as beautifully as possible. Experiment and grow. Do you fail? Of course, yes. When you experience, you get up and move again and again and again and again and again. You should never compromise. Never give up. The world has given you certain qualities and talents, so discover yourself. Discover the qualities of yourself that you don't know about. Never give up on yourself at any cost. Never give up on yourself at any cost. You must always be the first priority and most important in your life. You and yourself. Because you are the only one who is and will remain with you forever and ever and ever and beyond. You are, and that's it. Never belittle yourself. It's not your job to make others comfortable around you. Don't open your heart to just everyone. If you open your heart, the large part of your heart should be for yourself. And if someone gets upset with you, let them. It's your job to create an amazing life for yourself. So you have to create the extraordinary life you can. Look, honey, love yourself. Take care of yourself. Be mindful of your own existence. And I told you, never let go never let go of yourself for anyone. Never do that. Okay? You are so important. Yes, you are. You are the one. First priority of your life. Okay? Dear unique, if you like my video, like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And always remember, there's only one you. Okay? I love you. Bye.